Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Driven Vision. In today's video, we're reviewing the 2025 TVS King Duramax CNG, a modern auto-rickshaw that blends fuel efficiency, affordability, and practicality for the Indian market. TVS has been a leader in the three-wheeler space, and with the new Duramax CNG, they aim to give drivers a strong balance between performance and savings. Let's break it down into exterior, interior, performance, safety features, unique selling points, price, and conclusion. Exterior. The 2025 TVS King Duramax CNG comes with a robust yet stylish exterior design. Its compact proportions make it easy to navigate through busy city traffic, while the updated front fascia with sharper headlights and a sturdy bumper adds a touch of modernity. The large windscreen and side windows improve visibility for both driver and passengers, while the aerodynamic shape enhances fuel efficiency. The CNG cylinder is smartly integrated at the back, designed for safety without compromising luggage space. Bright dual-tone body colors and strong metal panels ensure durability, making it not just attractive but also long-lasting in tough road conditions. Interior. Inside, the TVS King Duramax CNG focuses on comfort and practicality. The driver's cabin is ergonomically designed with a wide handlebar, clear instrument cluster, and easy-to-access controls. Seating is comfortable with ample cushioning, reducing fatigue during long working hours. The passenger compartment is designed for 3 adults, offering adequate legroom and ventilation. Wide entry and exit points make boarding easy, especially in crowded city stops. TVS has also added small but useful touches like storage compartments for documents and utilities, ensuring drivers have all essentials within reach. Performance. Now, let's talk about performance. The 2025 TVS King Duramax CNG is powered by a 225.8 cubic centimeters CNG engine, known for its durability and efficiency. It produces around 8.9 kilowatts of power and 15 Newton meters of torque, which is sufficient for city rides with full passenger loads. One of the key highlights is its excellent fuel economy, delivering up to 40 kilometers per kg of CNG, which significantly reduces daily running costs. The smooth 4-speed gearbox ensures seamless acceleration and control, while the lightweight body makes it agile in narrow lanes. The ride is stable, thanks to its long wheelbase and strong suspension setup, which absorbs bumps on uneven city roads. Safety features. Safety is critical for commercial vehicles, and the TVS King Duramax CNG has multiple features to ensure peace of mind. It comes with hydraulic drum brakes that provide reliable stopping power even when fully loaded. The reinforced chassis and high-strength steel body enhance structural safety. The CNG cylinder is protected with safety cut-off valves and secure mounting, minimizing risks in case of impact. Wide-view mirrors, strong headlamps, and reflectors further improve visibility, making it safer for both drivers and passengers during day and night rides. Unique selling points. The biggest unique selling point of the 2025 TVS King Duramax CNG is its low operating cost. With rising fuel prices, this CNG-powered auto gives drivers significant savings compared to petrol or diesel alternatives. Another key advantage is its rugged build quality, designed for Indian conditions. Add to this the smooth ride quality, modern design, and driver-friendly ergonomics, and it becomes one of the most reliable three-wheelers on the market. For fleet operators, its low maintenance costs and availability of TVS service centers across India add another layer of convenience. Price. The 2025 TVS King Duramax CNG is expected to be priced at around 2.5 Indian rupees to 2.8 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom, India. With government subsidies and state-level CNG incentives, the effective cost can be even lower for buyers. When you factor in the low running cost of CNG, the King Duramax becomes one of the most cost-effective investments for auto drivers and fleet owners. To wrap things up, the 2025 TVS King Duramax CNG is a smart, reliable, and eco-friendly choice for India's growing urban mobility needs. With its sturdy exterior, comfortable interior, efficient performance, strong safety package, and unbeatable cost savings, it clearly stands out in the commercial three-wheeler market. This vehicle is built for drivers who want profitability without compromising passenger comfort, and for passengers who want a safe, smooth, and affordable ride. TVS has once again proven why it is one of the most trusted names in the mobility segment. That's it for today's review of the TVS King Duramax CNG. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Driven Vision for more detailed reviews of the latest vehicles. Until next time, stay safe and drive smart.